What's up YouTube? So we have a 2018 Honda Accord Sport, and there's a cool hack that you can do on the display right here if you want to see your rear view camera actually while you drive forward. So what you're going to do is pretty much go to your home screen. Well, you got to start the car up first, put it in park, get to your home screen that's on the display. So you would be right here. And the next step is really simple. See if I can get my... Okay, sorry for the glare, but you're gonna press home, volume, and source until it beeps. And you see a screen came up where it says diagnostic menu. Okay, once you hear the beep, it should come to this screen. At this screen, you're gonna press detail information and setting, and you're gonna go to guideline setup. And from there, you're gonna see rear wide camera. Go ahead and fix, I picked the dynamic. The fixed, I'm not too sure. Dynamic is pretty much looks like your standard camera, so go ahead and pick that. And as you can see now, I'm not in reverse. I'm actually still in park, and I have my rear view camera coming up. So what we're gonna do is put on our seatbelt. Go ahead and put it in reverse. Undo the parking brake. And we will keep it going. And now we are in drive, and as you can see, the camera is staying on. So it's a really cool feature, and it actually, the picture is pretty good for how, you know, keeping the frame rate up and stuff. It actually, the camera is very legible and visible. And I don't know exactly what this would be super particularly useful for. Just thought it was a really cool hack. Maybe if you're just worried about someone, you know, rear-ending you or tailgating you, or particularly some maybe following or something like that, it might be helpful for you. But yeah, this is really cool. It's kind of interesting, actually. So you might be wondering, well, is it stuck in that mode? No, it's not. So what you would do is just press that red return button, or you can just turn the car off and then turn it back on, and it'll go pretty much back to the settings of how you already had it. And just right here also, just so you guys know, pretty much is different camera views, so you can put it either just straight, the view just straight down those lines, a little bit wider, or a full 90-degree view like we have right now, which I like because you can see really wide. So again, it's a really simple hack, 2018 Accord Sport. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Stay tuned, please subscribe and smash that like button. I'd really appreciate all the help, all the love and support. Thank you so much, guys. God bless. Take care.